Hello out there in E-Land. This is Chuck Terrence coming to you live from Las Vegas, Nevada. And today, using Photoshop, I want to show you how to take a black and white picture and turn it into a color picture. So, I've done a lot of the work ahead of time so we could speed this video up. Otherwise, it would be way too boring, probably take over an hour. Ooh, but that's okay. It's fun for me, but it wouldn't be fun for you guys to watch a video that long. So how did I do these layers? Well, I went to solid color, and then I picked the color I wanted, and then I inverted the color so that I would be able to paint with it. So that's how I did all these layers, and thought you'd like to know that. So anyway, let's get started with skin tone. Now I'm going to speed this process up so that as I said before, the video won't be so long. Now I know it looks too dark, so I'm using the opacity now to bring it down into more natural color. And now, let's see, do the hair, yes. Now it's going to be the same thing. It's going to be a little darker than I want it, but it makes it easier to colorize. When it's a little darker, see the edges a little better. Yeah, okay. Alright, not too bad. Let's bring down the opacity. There we go. And now, on the other side of her neck, where the hair is, yeah, it's a little darker. It must have been a shadow there on the original picture. So I've got a little bit darker blonde to color a particular piece of hair. Yeah, and as before, bring down the opacity, and yeah, I guess it's because maybe there's a shadow over there, or shady or something. Okay, so now, let's go with the eyes. Same thing, they'll be a little darker in the beginning, and then I get to adjust it just the way I want it. Oh yeah, okay. Very good. And now, we'll do the lips. And this is really hard because I'm using a mouse and I really should have a pencil. But I don't have a pencil, so I have to use the mouse. And yeah, it's pretty hard to do, I'll tell you. The mouse wants to jump around and play. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Okay, we're going to do the same thing now. We're going to do the opacity. And bring it down. Way down. Little adjustment here and there. Yeah, that's pretty good. Just puts a little bit of color there. And now, finishing touch with the eyes. Yeah, same thing again. Opacity. Bring it down. Just about right there. And so there you have it. Yeah, how to colorize a black and white picture. Lots of fun. Well, for me, because I love Photoshop so much, but some of you seem to be interested in how I do things, so hey, have a great every moment.